Hello, hi everyone. Today I'm going to give you kind of a fleet update of my four turbo diesel trucks. I use these mainly for my business, so it's not like turbo diesel. There's not like diesel trucks that you would just see a random person owning, because there's very specific reasons why I have these exact trucks, and they just over the years have just helped me grow my business. So I'll give you kind of the background. I'll just give you a quick little show around each truck, and then maybe in other videos I'll give you like real in depth. I'll show you in depth on the truck, but I'll give you the overviews today. Okay, here we go. So here's my 1995 F250 Powerstroke. I actually got this truck in 2013, and I started my company with it in 2014. It's set up right now to tow motorcycles. It's originally what I started. How I started my company is just towing motorcycles. All the equipment's on the back. I'll throw up some pictures so you guys can see what it looks like when it's actually towing bikes. But yeah, Powerstroke. I'll show you. It's just real simple. It's not super modified. Just the common stuff. Just straight up, kind of how it came from the factory. Intake, exhaust, and a chip. Nothing too major. But yeah, this truck has been super reliable. I've had it parked. Once I stopped it for like 6 or 7 months. I thought for sure it wouldn't start. I threw in some batteries, it's fired right up. So yeah, this truck led to me buying my first tow truck, and then that truck ended up with me buying my Freightliner, which you guys will see next here. But yeah, super reliable, great truck, 9-foot flatbed. I have 2 winches set up for to pull the motorcycles on. So yeah, super reliable, great combination with the Powerstroke. So here's my 2010 Sierra, or GMC Sierra 3500 HD, set up as a tow truck. This is specifically set up to do low clearance jobs. So I've actually lowered it about 4 inches in the front. I don't know if you can see it. About 4 inches in the front and 3 inches in the rear. And then the flight bar flips down. This whole thing flips down, kind of goes that way. Then at the top here is right about 6 feet, so I can get into garages. I do a lot of work in Waikiki and in downtown Honolulu, and there's a ton of parking garages, so you want a really short truck. So I got this truck specifically to do low clearance work, and it still works for regular tows too. All that's fine. And this one's the Duramax 6.6 turbo diesel. Pretty much just have full exhaust, quote unquote muffler delete, and a 5-position chip. I only run at about 100 horsepower over factory, so it's probably at about 460 horse right now, and it makes a great package. It's real small, it's compact. It's still pretty heavy. This truck is about 9,500 pounds. Doesn't look like it, but the back is really heavy. So it's about 9,500 pounds. All right, everyone. Right here we have my 2015 Freightliner M2. Give you a quick overview. This has the 21.5-foot bed. This thing has been super just versatile. It's like I have done something as small as a moped on here. I've done a small dump truck, tons of equipment, tons of forklifts or cars, trucks. I've done a Lamborghini on here. It just works out super, just a great combination. Almost no maintenance, just oil changes and that's it. I'll show you. It's got the let me see what you can see here. I haven't cleaned it, so just kind of how I run it. Cummins 6.7. It's all stock. I wanted to do some stuff to it, but these are pretty hard to get tuned. It's still running the factory emissions and all that stuff. But here, so 6.7. This one's rated. You can get different ratings. I'm the second owner, so the original owner got it rated at 260 horse. I would have got the 300. So yeah, if you order one of these, you buy one, try to get the 300 horse, because this one's a little bit on the slow side when it's fully loaded. But I mean, it gets the job done. It's not a hot rod, so yeah, it's a really good. And I like the extended cab comes in handy when you get a lot of people. I'll show you here. This one has the right approach bed. Actually has a hinge right here. You can see it. It works out really well for lowered cars. So yeah, this is one other one of my turbo diesels. Okay, this is my last turbo diesel. This is a 1978 Ford CL 9000. Got this not that long ago. So it's like an ongoing project. It's gonna be pretty cool here once it cleans up in a few months. And the interesting part is it's a Ford, obviously it's a Ford, right? but it has a GM Detroit diesel. It has a Detroit diesel 2-stroke. I'll show you pictures. It's stamped on the engine, like the engine plate. It says GM. So a really strange combination, but it's pretty cool. It's a AV92 turbo and supercharged, 13 speed, single axle obviously. It's really short, and it's got the, I think it's got a 36-inch sleeper, so it's got like a little bed in there. But yeah, this one is the newest of the projects. So yeah, I should clean up in the next few months. Yeah, I've got a extended series I've been doing on this, so if you guys are interested, yeah, check out the page or check out the channel, and then we'll keep you posted on this one. But yeah, this is probably one of my most interesting diesels. Okay guys, if you liked the video, like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you in the next one. Aloha.